The GoPro Motorplex is an 11-turn kart track with open straightaways allowing drivers to reach speeds of up to 55 miles per hour. And with the motley crew of characters that ToyMakerz assembled, this race is going to be one for the ages.
Holy cow! 3 cars go right past.
With only 2 races left for Joyner and the ToyMaker to sort out their rivalry, both drivers are starting the second race near the back of the pack.
Donnie spins out, which is fine, but then takes me out, and then Eric piles into us.
David Ankle, rearview mirror. Victory will be mine.
After 2 races, I got nothing to show for it, and I lost to Joyner. So listen, if I can't pull off a win in the 3rd race, it's all over. So now I've got 1 corner left, and he's on the outside, and it all comes down to what's Donnie do. Here's my move. I come in, he went wide, I come the inside. As I brushed him, slowed me down just enough that I made the corner and checkered flag.
The fastest time of the 3 winners is the cheatiness. I can't express the words. ToyMakerz.
Look, I'm just over top of Charles. That's really all that matters. This place is awesome.